Hey guys, today we're going to do the unboxing of JBL Go. So these portable Bluetooth speakers, I bought them from Amazon for rupees 1600. You can see the link attached below. So these come in a variety of colors. I bought this orange one. So let's first open it. So there's a device itself and there's a box beneath it. So let's take out the device. Now let's see what's there inside this box. So this box contains a micro USB cable and few books. The instructions manual, the warranty, and few other books. So now let's see the device. So as you see, I have powered on the device. There's a LED indication. So I have got a aux jack and a USB charging port and few buttons. The power button, the Bluetooth button, then you have volume rockers, then you have the call button to take calls. Here the micro USB cable for charging.